welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. So today I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning to my room, to our house, like vacuuming, wiping things down with wipes, putting my clothes away, which I just did like the day before my mom brought me more clothes. Plus I have clothes that I want to give away and they're just like stuck in my room, so we're gonna take those over to my mom's room or take them downstairs to like the garage or something. And then I'm going to probably like take out my stuff in my side cabinet, which is over there, but y'all can't see it. And then also wipe down like my desk and vacuum my floor. Probably just like I'm gonna wipe off my what's it called, my mirror, because I have some like some dry erase marker on it, and so I just really need to clean that off. And then I'm also gonna fix my board back there, my pink board. I don't know where it is. It's like I can't even point to it, I'm sorry, but it's somewhere over there. Yeah, my pink board. Okay, there, finally got it. But yeah, I want my videos to be more like genuine, and so I'm not gonna edit that out. And if you want me to, that's fake. But yeah, I'm gonna keep in all of my errors because this is a cleaning video, so obviously there already is an error. So if you want to see me clean, first I'm gonna start with my room, and then I might show other parts of not my house, but my family's house, you know. And the reason is because my grandparents are coming. So if you want to keep seeing the cleaning, keep on watching. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be starting with is putting away my clothes into my closet. And I'm going to be doing this really cool thing where I do a time lapse inside of my closet. So first thing I'm going to do is show y'all my closet. So come along with me, and I'm going to hold the camera just because I think it's cooler. So first of all, this is my closet. This house is like a lot older, and I don't really have a light in my closet, but I do have a very cool, thing right here, And so if you can tell, I'm short, and so this is a pretty cool part of my room. You're inside of my closet, and this is all the clothes that I need to put away, which it's not a lot. Wait. Actually, there's more clothes under that. But the other clothes are things like that I need to give away. So I'm going to take those over to my mom's room, and she's probably gonna be mad. But gotta get this stuff out of here. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Okay, so we're gonna start cleaning up. And so what I do first is I'm going to go through my different clothes, organizing by pants / leggings, and then if I have any dresses, I organize those. They go like right here. Is my blue hangers are for my dresses. Black hangers are for my pants, and I have a lot of hangers, so these are for my extra large shirts. Black hangers are for shirts that go with my purple hangers are for my large shirts, which is really good that I have mostly large shirts because most of the time I end up going like higher weight than lower weight and back and forth. Currently, I'm going to give up my weight. But approximately I'm at 181 or 82 pounds, so I'm sure like nobody knows that. But now you do, so that's okay. So I'm gonna organize my clothes by like pants, extra large, and leggings. So let's go to the time lapse. Okay guys, so now all I have left to do is clean up, or put away my pants. Oh, sorry, I got scared because there's somebody here fixing our, I think, like, power or electricity or something, I'm not sure. But today I had school, and we have February break, and that's also a reason why our grandparents are coming, because our parents are having their anniversary trip for like 3 days next week. And so we're just trying to let them have some time. But we're also trying to clean our house, so that's why I'm gonna vacuum, because I honestly wanted to vacuum my room for like a long time, but even though I get so many things done, I feel like I'm also a procrastinator, because I don't like to spend time on myself except for things that I need to get done. So now I will show y'all the closet and what I've done. And also a cool thing is that whenever I like figure out how far away I want each of the hangers, I use my finger and I smush my finger in between each of them. This one is a little bit, so that way I can get like the perfect amount of space between each of them. That might be a cool idea for somebody if y'all want to try that out, because I just don't know how far each of them are from each other, and so I like to keep it like the same distance. My fingers are a little bit big, but I usually use like my index, I think it's called index finger, that I write with. So yeah, now I'm going to finish putting away my pants. Okay, so now I'm finished putting away all my clothes, and I feel like this was the fastest I've ever finished putting away any of my clothes. It's probably also because YouTube is timed, and I just don't want to, like, sit here and talk for, like, 50 minutes, you know? But I will show y'all my pants. I did, like, the same thing where I kind of measured out, but with my like dresses and everything, they're kind of stuffed together because, oh sorry, some of the hangers are like thinner and some of the hangers aren't. So with my like pants, I don't like try to push it on myself to make it perfect. But with like my shirts, everybody can see my shirts down here whenever you first look at my closet. So I just want it all to look good, if you understand what I'm saying. And then the last thing is I already went through my entire, like, drawers on Sunday. For some reason, I decided to do that. Because I, like, went through everything and just, like, cleaned it out and stuffed things in the right place. Oh, I'm so sorry. God, I got sweat. It's okay. Sorry about that. But, yeah, I went through all of my stuff I need to. I'm gonna go get the vacuum and probably like vacuum some of my closet, vacuum some my floor in my desk, and then also pull up I have like this clear thing that for my chair to roll on, so I'm gonna be cleaning that. So after I vacuum, I'll be back to talk and show y'all how it looks. Okay, guys, so right now I'm eating lunch. I'm having a pizza because it's been a long time since I had lunch. Since I had breakfast at like 7 a.m. So I need lunch now. I don't have any homework. I've got a project, but I'm not going to be working on that over break. Maybe. I'm not sure. And it's a science project, which I'm pretty much done with most of it. Just need a couple extra things to finish up on. Later I'll try to get a little clip of my whole room, just to show y'all. All I did, I put my clothes away, you saw in the time lapse. I vacuumed my floor. I didn't get a video of that because our vacuum is huge and my arms aren't not strong, and I just needed to get that done. So I didn't film that, but I vacuumed the floor and I'm sure it'll look a lot cleaner. And I kind of wiped down my desk and wiped down my drawers and stuff, but I didn't do it with wipes. I just wiped it off with my hands to get all of the dust and stuff away. And later I might be helping my brothers clean their room up a little, and also vacuum my parents' room. And that's all I did. I also just made my bed again because I needed to pull my sheets up in order to not vacuum them up whenever I vacuumed. And yeah, they're supposed to be coming either tomorrow or Sunday. I think it'll probably be Sunday because they're leaving today. And stop. I'm making a video.
Are you gonna like that?
I might not. Stop it. You don't have a YouTube channel. So yes, I guess I'm wrong. They're coming tomorrow, even I don't know when they left. My groom keeps telling me different things. I'm about to attack this one. I don't know, where are you? Oh, way over there. So, yeah, sorry if y'all were dizzy right there. But I'm gonna eat lunch, and later I'll try to get a little clip of my entire room and maybe like our house and stuff, but probably not our house. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll put it into my organization playlist. I think I either have one for that or just my senior year. And I made a playlist of all the videos my little brother's been in or made, because he's made a couple of videos with the help of me filming, and also I kind of did a lot of more editing on the picture-in-picture video thing we tried to do last time, which worked, but it took a long time to figure out. So yeah, yeah, check out all of his videos if you want. Some of them are from like 2018, 2017, like a long time ago. So yeah, have a great day, and since I'm on February break, I'm probably maybe gonna make another video while my Gram's here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.